Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on divide a decimal by a decimal worksheets. This video presents a few slides where we practice dividing a decimal by another decimal. Now, on the last slide, there is a link, and if you click that link, it will take you to the lesson and it explains how to do all these examples. So if you have no idea what to do, or if you've forgotten what to do, just click on that link and it'll give you all the clues. Let's quickly look at this first example. 6.8 divided by 0.2. Very quickly, the rule is you move the decimal point in this particular example one place to the right to make it a whole number, so that becomes 2. You do the same here and you move it one place to the right, so that becomes 68. So the new sum becomes 68 divided by 2. So you just go through that, and we've seen how to divide a number by a whole number, and then you just use that process and you won't have any problems. Let's quickly go down to this one. This is 0.04. Now we have 9.876 divided by 0.04. To make this a whole number, you move it 2 places to the right. So you do the same thing here. You move it 2 places to the right. So basically what we have then, very quickly, is 9, 8, 7.6, and we're dividing that by 4. Okay? So that's the secret. When you have a decimal in the denominator, you have to move it the required number of places to make it a whole number. You move the decimal in the numerator the same number of places, then you do your division. So quickly over here, you move that 3 places to the right. So you move that one 3 places to the right, and so on. So it's the same with all those examples there. Let's have a look at the next slide. Now here are some more involved ones because there's a lot of movement happening here. Let's quickly jump to number 5. Let's see how many places we move the decimal place to the right in this example to give us a whole number. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we move the decimal point 4 places to the right in this number. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you do your division. So basically it'll be 57.66 divided by 6. Okay? And it's exactly the same with all the examples. You need to focus on the denominator first and move it the required number of places to the right, that is the decimal point, and then you move it the same number in the numerator, and then just do your normal division. Don't forget, on the next slide there is a link. Click on the link and it will take you to the lesson and it will show you very clearly what to do. So this video has given us a few slides where we've been able to practice dividing a particular decimal by another decimal. And don't forget the link on the next slide if you need to see the lesson.